Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from DRDO. Yes, when we will go to the official website of DRDO, here in the career section, you can see there is an opportunity for the direct walk-in interview. Okay, now when I will click here, this is walk-in interview for the Junior Research Fellowship at NSTL Visakhapatnam. The last date is 20th February. When we will click here, we can see the detailed advertisement. So let's check it out. Walk-in interview for the Junior Research Fellowship at NSTL. Okay. Now what is this? NSTL is a Naval Science and Technologies Lab. Okay. In Visakhapatnam, Vigyan Nagar. All right. Now let's see. They are having recruitment for the Junior Research GRF Mechanical Engineering. 2 vacancies are there. Junior Research Fellowship GRF Electronics, 2 vacancies. And for the GRF Naval Architecture, 1 vacancy. And then for the aerospace, okay, GRF aerospace, 1 vacancy, and for the computer science also 1 vacancy. What is the essential qualification? BE Tech is required. Okay, in first division means minimum 60% marks with the valid GATE scorecard. So BE Tech in 60% marks, okay, with a valid GATE scorecard. If you are having a master's degree, then there is no requirement of the GATE scorecard. Directly ME MTech in first division is required there. Okay, in everyone here in mechanical, BE Tech in mechanical, here in electronics, here in naval architecture, in aeronautics or aerospace, and then it is computer science and engineering. All right. So here they mention here. Okay. Now, what is the age limit? Upper age limit is 28 years as on the date of the walk-in interview. There is direct walk-in interview. Okay. No separate written test. JRF, we already earlier also discussed this type of vacancies. Now here the date of walk-in dimension. So for the GRF Naval Architecture, Aerospace, CFD, Computer Science, walk-in will be on the 19th February. And for the Mechanical Engineering and Electronics, walk-in will be on the 20th February. Okay, this is the venue they mention here, and reporting time is 9 hours. All right. So here you can see it's mentioned in case of any query, you can use these phone numbers and you can contact them. They mention some form also which you need to attach and which you need to fill and you need to submit at the time of the walk-in. Yeah, there are more vacancies, but here this, if I will show you this one, walk-in interview for the post of junior research in the Kanpur. So here majorly for the chemistry or material science and engineering. If you are having BE Tech in the material science, then you are eligible here. Okay, and one more is here for the Gwalior. Again, this is for the PhD students. So if I will just open it. So here you can see DRDO GRF is there, but this is for again for the science, PhD in biology, PhD in chemistry, but this is not for the engineers. So these type of vacancies earlier also we covered, dear students. If you think you want to have some knowledge for the GRF, okay, then surely you can go there. Okay, in that case they will give you some stipend. I think they mentioned about the stipend also. If I missed it, so they should mention here some value for the stipend. No, it's not, they did not mention here. Usually this is 37,000. You can check it out. Yeah, here it's mentioned at 37,000. So stipend of rupees 37,000 plus HRA, okay, are admissible per the rule. So usually in the JRF they used to give 37,000, okay, plus some HRAs. So dear students, if you think this is helpful for you, if you think you want to go there, then surely you can go to this official website and you can apply for this position of JRF at DRDO, different centers. Stay connected to IMS Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.